Hi everyone, this is Narsimha. In this video, we are going to create company code. In our last video, we are created company. Why we are creating company, why we are creating company code, all those things. Let we understand first. In generally, if you are started any business, you need organization structure. Organization structure means company name. Earlier we created this. You need to maintain your profits and expenses. For that you need company code and company generally fi consultants used to create. After that, if you want to any purchase some, if you want to any purchase raw material, any material, you need purchase organization. If you want to run any business, you need a business unit. Business units is called warehouse, plant, manufacturing unit. You can call it as a business unit. Not, business unit is nothing but plant. Then you need a storage location. It is a raw material, good materials, promotion material. You need to bifurcation. That's the reason you need to create storage location. All these five elements we are called organization structure in SAP. Generally, in organization structure, company code used to create FI consultant, balance 3 used to create consultant. This complete notes available in my channel playlist. For if you want this notes free, you need to check all videos. Then only you will get notes. Earlier video we created company. Now we are going to create company code. Let's see the what is the process to create company code. We can create company code two types. One is through T code and second one is path. Generally company codes used to create FI consultant, but you are practicing you are practicing SD, you are practicing PP, you don't aware how to create company. No one teach you, and moreover you don't need to learn create company code. That's the reason we have a standard code 1000. We can copy from 1000 company code. Let's see how to copy company code from 1000 in SAP. To create a company code, T code is EC01, or else you can go through as a path also. Path is here. You have to enter T code EC01 your in transactional box, or else you can come through path also. For path, enter SPRO, then IMG, again enterprise structure, define, financial accounting, edit, copy, delete, check company code. You then copy, delete, check company code. Then you will get this kind of interface. It is same like a EC01 interface. Then you have to click here copy object. Click on copy object. Then from company code is 1000. Then copy to code. You can give up to 4 letters. You can give numbers, you can give letters, you can letter and numeric combination also. I am going to create my company code is SA01. SA01. Then click on this right symbol, continue. I am clicking on continue. Then data already exists. Why it is showing like this means already SA001 company code is available. Then I am clicking cancel. Again I am going back. It is a practice server. That's the reason we are getting this kind of errors, or else in real time you won't get this errors. SA01, SA001. I am type SA01. I am changing my company code SA01. Then click on copy. Then I'm entering 1000. Then SA01. Sure. See, I'm not getting any error. This is asking controlling area. Do you want to copy controlling area? You can click on yes. Yes, we need controlling area. Again, it is asking local currency. Click on yes. It is asking you what is your local currency, click give your local currency. My local currency is INR, Indian rupees. Again continue, continue, again information continue, transport number and transport ranges, number ranges and address continue. Only this option you don't need to copy. Number ranges management message. I don't want this. No. At the time of your practice also click on no. We are getting some customized request number. Okay. Company code 1000 is copied to SA01. Okay. See, company code 1000 is copied to SA01. Our transaction is completed. We created company code, but we didn't give any address, any details. For address and extra things, if you want to enter, you have to go T code OX02. This is the T code OX02. Enter OX02 in your transactional box. Click on enter. Then click on position. What our company code is SA01. Click on SA01 and search it. See, SA01 is showing, but it is showing INT. You have to change this details. If you want to change details, double click on SA01. You will get this kind of interface. Then my company name. I want to edit my company name. What is my company name? SAP Enterprises India. City Hyderabad. Region India. Currency English. Save it. I want to give more details. I want to give address also. Then you need to click on here address tab. We have a address symbol here. Click on address symbol. Then Mr., Mrs., company, Mr. and Miss, you can select as per your wish. I am selecting company. Samrat Enterprises India. I am giving random addresses. Pin code number. City. Country IN India. Region is showing TZ, but you have to select numbers for regions. It is for Telangana is a 36. Generally, our region code is a first two letters of GST number. Telangana GST number starts with 36. That's the reason our GST code is 36. India postal code and PO box number. My language is English. Telephone number. If you want to give mobile number, fax and extra things. And OK. Save it. Then go back. See, now SA01 is showing Samrat Enterprises. Earlier it showed INT. Now our company code is created. As of now, we created company and company code. In coming classes, we are going to create purchase organization, plant and storage location. After that, we will assign organization to company, company to organization, plant to storage location to plant. We are going to assign everything. Then our organization data will fulfill. Hope this video is useful for you. If you want to learn, if you are willing to learn SAP, please subscribe this channel and click on bell icon. Thanks for watching.